I'm Elizabeth Dackson, and on today's community segment, I'm here with Kara Sanders, and we're going to talk a little bit about community retreats. Hi, Kara, how are you?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm so glad that we're here to talk about community retreats today. You've put together quite a few retreats in your time, haven't you?
Yeah, I have.
And I bet you have learned quite a lot from that experience.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I've learned a lot of great things from it. I have a yearly sew-in, and we've had 4 sew-ins so far with about 50 participants or so. And I've learned quite a few things, kind of the hard way the first time or so. And I'd love to give you, some of those things that maybe I didn't know so well the first time.
That would be great. Like, what are the things that you've learned looking back now with that wonderful 2020 hindsight that you do differently?
Well, my goal is always to have super affordable sewing retreats. So folks who maybe necessarily don't have the resources that come to bigger retreats can come to these and really have an opportunity to wind down with friends, create, and build each other up. I focused so much the first year on having an affordable sewing retreat that I ended up paying for a lot of it out of pocket.
Oh no.
Yeah, it was a little disappointing for me. So what I tried just so hardly to get a low cost point. But what I didn't realize was I needed to add in little fillers.
Sure.
We have great goodie bags at the retreat. I forgot that I needed to pay $100 for goodie bags.
Oh my.
Yeah, all the folks were, sewing late into the night as we do together.
Sure.
We needed coffee to,
that's important.
to keep us, awake. And so I had to get, some coffee stations for the conference room, and that added up as well.
So how have you gone about preventing that out-of-pocket expense in future years?
Yeah, so what I've done, and now this is the 4th year, so I have a bit of experience with it. I have a goal of how many participants to have.
Sure.
And I take that goal, and then I figure out the food, the lodging, the conference costs. If I am paying for maybe a vendor to come in, I include their room in it also. I forgot to do that the first time as well.
Yes.
And then I add a little bit of a bump, just to make sure that all of the administrative fees are taken care of.
Gotcha.
And then what's so great is if I have money left over, I take that and I buy gift certificates to online fabric shops.
Oh.
And we always have a drawing on the Friday of the sewing retreat, and I just add that as like a little extra gift.
For the attendees?
Oh, yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, because I'm not taking any money from the sewing retreats. The whole point is for folks to get together, create, build each other up, and make friends.
That is fantastic.
But I want to make sure that we have enough money to run it successfully so I can do it every year. So I just add a bit in, and if there's any extra whatsoever, I buy gift certificates to online shops, and everybody loves those.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That is a great tip. I'm sure you've got so many other great tips for us on putting together a retreat. I'm so glad that you'll be back with us in a few more episodes to share those with us.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you.